We've been following all the weather-related disruptions at the Portland airport today. So this is a live look at the big board. Right now, there are 14 flight delays and 85 cancellations. The Port of Portland urges you to check with your airline before going out to PDX. Well, Bryant Clerkley was just at the Portland airport catching up with some stranded passengers. He joins us live this noon in Drive 8. Bryant, what did they tell you?
Hey Brenda, yeah, we definitely want to stress, to check that Fly PDX website because there are a lot of canceled flights. You just went over them. So take a look at this. This is to get onto we're on Airport Way to get onto North 205, and you can just see the line of cars and the traffic that is just stuck here. And this is what we've been dealing with all morning. But we did speak to one woman who was trying to catch a flight to Arizona that got canceled, and she's staying in the airport until it's safe to drive back home to Roseburg. Tony Sands says she slept in her car last night on the side of the freeway. She was a few miles away from PDX, but she could not get there when the snowstorm started. She says a lot of the cars were sliding and she was scared and trying to get out of the way. She says she finally got her car into the parking lot at PDX around 9 this morning. She feels safer staying at the airport until the roads clear. She had been in her car since 7 last night, and last time we looked, there were just so many flights canceled at PDX.
I was scared. Because there was like certain people walking around, and I was a little scared because it was cold and I'm on the side of the freeway. I'm by myself. Wasn't happy. My first time traveling, wasn't a good experience.
And just so everyone knows, it took me and photographer Eric Patterson more than 3 hours to get across the Glenn Jackson Bridge from Vancouver over to Portland and to PDX. So it was gridlocked, and hopefully there is a better situation now. Back to you guys.
If not now, maybe sometime soon. Thank you very much, Bryant Clerkley, reporting in Drive 8.